The sound of the hammer echoed like a scream in the silence, tearing through the hearts of all who stood near. Each strike drove nails deeper into Jesus' flesh, the pain unimaginable, the anguish unbearable. Mary's tears fell silently as her son Jesus endured agony she couldn't take away. The rhythm of the hammer wasn't just metal on wood, it was the sound of Jesus' innocence being crucified, his love being mocked, and humanity's sins being carried by one man. Every echo of that hammer was a cry of suffering, a sound that broke the hearts of those who loved Jesus, leaving them with a pain they would carry forever.